trying out this vlogging thing because if TikTok really does go away, I need to work on YouTube. So can you see my beautiful house back there? I'm giving Hubert his medicine right now, and then I'm getting over being sick, so I'm actually not gonna work too much today. I have some TikToks that I need to film. Gabapentin. I think I'm gonna start filming a YouTube video for the Valentine's Day dress I'm gonna make, and then I'm gonna go home and watch The Bachelor. Sing!
No.
Elsa. Sing it.
No. Candle in the window on a cold hard winter's night.
I'm filming a TikTok right now. I just finished this Erica Barbie dress. Oh, I'm filming a few TikToks with it. This is agenda 1 for the day. I'm running out of energy because I was really sick, but I'm putting this on for the first time ever. I've never put it on. We have a mission for the day. So if you've been on my channel, you know how much I love hockey. It's like my biggest passion aside from Disneyland, basically. And though I live in the United States, though I live in Washington, my team is the Toronto Maple Leafs. Don't ask me why, I just love them so much. They only come over to my side of the woods like once a year, and so I live by Seattle. They're coming here tomorrow, people, and the problem is that I live on the eastern side of the state, okay? And to get over to Seattle, we have to go through a mountain pass. During winter, it can be very dangerous if it's snowing. My sister just got a new car, and my Tesla doesn't make it very far, so we cannot take my car to the mountain pass. Plus it's rear wheel drive, so it's kind of hard to drive in the snow. But she just got a new car and she refuses. She says she will not take it in the snow. And I think it is supposed to snow. And she also says she can't miss school even though she skips every single day. So our mission today is to try to convince her that we should go see them tomorrow. It's my only chance in the season to see them. It's like we saw them in Vegas last year. I just have to see them. So that is our goal. We gotta convince this girl. I come bearing news that none of us wanted to hear this morning. I am not seeing the Maple Leafs in Seattle tonight. I begged and pleaded with my dad, my sister. No one will go with me. I did consider going alone. I don't mind doing things alone, but I don't have a car is the problem. I won't be going to the game tonight. I'm getting dressed for the day. Since I can't go see the Leafs, I think I might wear this. I have a lot of Leafs stuff, just with some leggings. I'm in my pajamas. Never been this real on a YouTube video before in my pajamas. Do you like my mural? I painted this during COVID. It's Small World themed. If you can't tell, it took me several days. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. My dad texted and said that he can go with me maybe. I'm really excited. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup, but I'm so excited. My makeup is just been started. I need to go finish it. I needed this. Why is this my life? Do you see what I see? Do you see all these pins? Somebody knocked my pins over last night, I'm assuming. Oh, I gotta clean all these up. They went everywhere. Dad, where are we off to?
Going to see Poppy.
Going to see Poppy. Going to a Leafs game. Very excited. Might not be ethical, but I always buy the cheapest seat and then I just sit in an unsold seat at the front. So I got us $50 tickets and we'll be sitting hopefully 4th, 5th row. I've literally got the busiest day today. I have a long list. I can show it to you guys. First, I'm making a sourdough loaf up because I do that on the weekends, or I try to. What was I gonna say? Oh yeah, I have the longest list of stuff to do. Oh my gosh, Lorelai, it's snowing! Lex's to-do list, my mom wrote on it. You need to be amazing as always. That won't be hard. But first, I'm making some sourdough. The problem with this is that it's like a whole day's event, so it kind of runs my, runs my life. That's fine though. Get out of there. This was the only jar I had, but the thing is too small. Anyway, I'm gonna take you on this day. It's Saturday. Lots to do. Hello. I just did my hair like Erica because I'm filming the rest of the Erica YouTube video. Alexa, pause. I'm filming the rest of the Erica YouTube video for this dress that I made, and so I did my hair like her. Oh my gosh, Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. I did my hair like her. At first I wasn't loving it, but I feel so pretty. I'm putting this dress on, and I need to film a few TikToks with it.
Or like Munchkin, so small-minded, no. The begin, the wizard and the
I cannot sing that low.
visions hazy. And all that jazz.
The problem with me listening to music when I work is that I get singing. Getting ready to go to church, and I was gonna wear this last week. My mom said it didn't look good, but I think it looks good. Lorelai thinks it looks good. I'm a friend. You're a friend of it. Mom's a foe. It just, I don't know, I like it with the shoes. With the bag. And I posted a TikTok asking about it last week. Half the comments say it looks good, and half the comments say it doesn't. So I guess half the people at church will think I look good, and half the people at church will think I don't. But I guess it doesn't matter what they think anyway. I do believe it's my lucky day. I had to go to the doctor because I had a cold and it turned into a sinus infection and I've been dying. But there's a Starbucks literally right next door, and I ordered a grande pink drink. I get to the window and they said, oh, we accidentally made a venti, but we're only charging you for a grande. I said, okay. And I took it. It kind of looks crusty now because it's been sitting for an hour, but that's like luck if you ask me. That's a big drink, and Starbucks is expensive. I used to get a pink drink all the time, but it just got so expensive I stopped. But I decided to treat myself since I went to the doctor. So I'm gonna go work on my Valentine's Day dress a little bit. Guys, I'm literally such an innovator. I'm not ready for the day, so don't look at how ugly I look. So I love stuff. I'm actually coming out with an apartment tour soon because I have a project I'm working on. And when I moved, I bought this beautiful lamp from Target. It was one of the first things I bought for myself, and it came broken. Like the ceramic in here came broken. So this entire stand was like broken off, and I had originally fixed it. I glued it to this head and then I glued it in here. Over Christmas, when I put it away for Christmas, it broke again. So I fixed it yesterday. I took E6000, held it onto here, and then the hole where the ceramic, where it's supposed to go in there, was way too big since it broke. So I took like some cardboard and folded it up and wedged it in there and then glued that. And I think hopefully it'll work now, because I don't know if it's still being sold on Target. I bought it like 3 years ago, but I don't know if the actual lamp works still. It might be broken too. I need to check. My favorite part about my life is that when I'm working, probably about 50% of the time I am in fact listening to Disney music, and I sing like I'm a princess. I also do that while I hike. I love to hike. I go on like 7-mile hikes, and I just sing out there, like I'm belting them out, and then I'll see somebody coming up about to pass me that I won't see, and it's so embarrassing because they knew I was just singing. But I'm a Disney princess and I'm okay with that. I have to go pick my sister Elsa up from school in 2 hours because I'm always the one that gets to take people to doctor's appointments since everybody else is at work. Even though I am at work, I get to leave my work apparently, and nobody else does. So I'm trying to get sleeves on this dress that I'm working on, but we're gonna go pick her up and have a little sister afternoon. We're gonna go get Elsa. I'm her getaway car. Not really. Well, I'm not authorized to take her out of school, but the girl has a doctor's appointment, so I'm breaking her out. I'm in the student parking lot and she's gonna run out here and get in my car, and we're gonna go to the doctor. Get in! Hurry!
Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
You look...
Ah! You think I look like a whore?
I didn't see
I was
that.
hesitant about buying this shirt, but you know what? It's really comfortable, okay?
Is it?
We're going to Taco Bell. Should we get the box? Oh! Or
Well, the box
bean and rice
doesn't...
burritos.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Because I
what?
was looking at the box and it's only like one burrito and a taco.
Only a burrito is 500 calories.
No, but I want a bean and cheese.
Go! Taco Bell is across the street from the high school. So let's go to that and then go stop by home and then
Yeah, I need my
to
card.
the doctor. Take this. Turn it off though.
How do I turn that? Hello, the way is ready.
Hi, can I have 2 cheesy bean and rice burritos, please?
Okay.
And that's it.
Right, go for it.
Thank you. You ready?
Yes.
They're gonna draw your blood. Are you ready for that?
Are they actually?
Yeah. When I came in last month, they drew my blood.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and they pricked my finger too.
I'm fine with blood.
You are?
I'm like Edward.
Do you hear the people singing the songs of angry men?
I have a bone to pick with society. How come we can't accept that some people just look young? Okay? It's not. I don't think anyone has ever taken me for an adult ever. I am 22 years old. We walk in today. My parents couldn't be here, so I'm the guardian today. And the lady's like, "What's your name?" And I'm like, "Alexandra." And she goes, "You're her sister?" I said, "Yeah." Oh, it was nice. I said, "Yeah." She goes, "Okay, not to be nosy, but how old are you? Because she needs an adult with her." I said, "Oh, I'm 22. She's like, "Oh." I said, "Yeah, I just look young." People! You don't even think I look like an adult? You think I look your age? You look older than me, I think.
And she was probably
Like, if you don't
what?
think I'm 18, you're insinuating I'm 17 or younger. I think we need to normalize that, like, adults are younger than you think they look. At least I am, if that makes sense. That was all I had to say. I was stewing on that. Not that it actually makes me mad, it's just, like, interesting. Nobody has ever thought I look like an adult.
I feel like you're looking older.
Yeah, I've been wearing more makeup.
Sing